We're gonna cook this frozen pizza using a Paragon tempering oven. These things go up to about, let's just say roughly 3,000 degrees, so they get very hot. We were actually just casting some bronze right here, so these really get quite hot. We're gonna tone it down all the way to about 350 to 375 degrees. Right now it's set to 2,500 or 2,050, so we got to adjust that and bring it way down. Now we'll set the temperature to 350. We'll open it up. And we'll put it in. Now there's cardboard underneath here, so we don't need to worry about the dirt on the bottom of the fire brick. Now it's warming up to the set point of 350. All right, it should be done now. The room's not filled with smoke, which means I didn't set it to 3,500 on accident. We're looking pretty good. All right, that needs a bit longer in there, so I'm gonna leave it there maybe another 5 minutes. All right. That looks pretty good. We'll go ahead and take it out. Now we'll go ahead and cut it. Now that is definitely still doughy. What I need to do is put that in probably at 375 or 400, toast everything and also toast the bottom. But a problem might be that it's not gonna get the bottom very well. In a traditional oven, you have a grate that's underneath it, so you have heat from the top and the bottom. On this, I'm only getting heat from the top, not really any on the bottom. And now that I think about it, it's also insulated on the bottom, so it'll probably stay pretty cool there. And we might not actually get it to toast the bottom. We might need to use the oven to toast the bottom. We'll have to finish it off with the toaster oven. Now it's done. Now we can cut this up. And that's pretty good. I mean, it tastes about the same as all the other frozen pizzas we've had, which is good. And that tastes great.